So hey guys, welcome back to my channel TechMills. So today I have something really exciting to share with you. I just received this amazing automatic magic LED sensor color changing light. So let's start unboxing. So as you can see, it is well packed to ensure this product arrives safely. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside this package, we have this automatic LED sensor night lamp in this delightful mushroom-shaped design. It looks so cool and charming, guys, as you can see. So guys, now let's take a closer look at some of the features of this night lamp. It has an automatic on-off function thanks to its built-in sensor. That means it will turn on when it senses darkness or off when there is enough light in the room. So guys, setting up this light lamp seems super easy. You have to just plug it into a power source. And let's see the magic. So guys, let's test it out in a dark room to see the magic in action. So as you can see, I already plugged this light into a power source and see the magic in action. So wow, look at these colors. It's like having a mini rainbow in my bedroom. The soft and soothing hues create a calming atmosphere. And one of the most exciting features of this lamp is its color changing mode. It can cycle through multiple colors, creating a mesmerizing and relaxing ambience in your bedroom. As you can see, the lamp feels sturdy and well built. The mushroom design is adorable and making it a great addition to any room's decor. So guys, as you can see, this light looks like a mini rainbow in my bedroom, and it creates a calm atmosphere in my room, and it looks great, guys. So guys, now we are going to check the sensor of this light. As you can see, the sensor is working properly, and when it senses some movement, it automatically turns on the light. As you can see, when it senses my hand movement, it automatically turns on, and in dark, it automatically turns on. So guys, overall, I am really impressed with this automatic magic LED sensor color changing light lamp. So that's it for today's unboxing video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.